Thank you so much for joining. I have a new build that you're going to love, I hope. Totally different and very unique, something that I'm actually gonna just go and build as it comes. I'm gonna kind of decide what I want to do it as I build it, and it's something I wrote down, drew some doodles on some paper, very rough draft. As you can see right here, these are some of the draft drawings that I've done, very, very rough, and I just want to make something different and unique, and hopefully it comes out really great. And you know what, this is in Canada, it's like -20, but I am gonna push forward just like the explorers, you know, they push forward on a new endeavor undertaking. So this is something exciting, and I am not gonna complain about the cold. Canada is a can-do nation with C-A-N, can as the first 3 letters. So here we go, thank you for joining and enjoy the video. she didn't work well. It was too small. I didn't really know how to use it anyways. I'm gonna have to go back to math class. And so what I actually did use, and I used a paint can, and I just put one mark there and another mark there. And that gave me the angle that I needed. And I just drew around it, along it, and it created that nice curve that I needed, and it matched. And I just matched the two lines on each piece, so I'd have the same curve on both sides in all of the pieces. So hopefully that did work. Now I'm gonna take it to the bandsaw and cut those off, and let's see what kind of finish we get.